Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2024 Tesla Cybertruck and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you guys can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPA properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect you from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation for the headlight, we need to make sure we prep the entire lens. So all we need to do is apply slip solution to the headlight, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So once we finish prepping the headlight, we can start with the installation. So just apply slip solution to the entire lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film, and you're going to grab the film and start by aligning it to one edge first. Let's place it there, and the rest of the film should just follow through until you reach it to the other end. So we're going to focus on tacking down one edge first, and then once we tack down this section, we're just going to squeegee out all of the slip solution from behind the film until we tack everything down to reach it to the other end. So to secure the film, all we need to do is just lift the film carefully, apply tack solution underneath the film, keep it aligned on the edge, and apply tack solution on top. Grab your squeegee, make sure everything stays aligned, and tack it down. And you're just going to do this for the rest of the film. Just help it tack down. You can always apply a little bit of tack solution underneath the film. That way we can start securing the tint to the headlight. And just make sure to remove all of the solution behind the film, because the last thing we're going to do is post-heat the entire headlight. That way the adhesive on the film activates faster and it doesn't lift over time. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight is to post-heat the entire film. So all we need to do is apply tack solution to the front section of the tint, and we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire headlight. And we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help it tack down and also help remove any solution that's still trapped around the edges. So take your time applying heat evenly throughout the entire tint, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.